Hello everyone. So today I am going to create a MySQL database and create a customer table and insert queries. So moving forward, obviously you have to download the MySQL workbench. So just go to the Google and the uh, MySQL workbench download from this one. So uh, Windows version, you can download this one. Once you download it, then you'll be done. So I already downloaded, so I just have to go to the start and then type MySQL. So once you download it, you can see this one. You have MySQL workbench and MySQL command line. Those are the pretty much same thing. This is you can write a code and also execute, or there is another option to create a table or database on GUI feature. So graphic user interface, another one. So I'll be using this one command line. So it will ask you the password. The password is when you create the when you download the workbench, that's the password you have to put. So once you put the password, you are set to go. You can see the MySQL. That means it's connected. So you can work on this Windows. So just make sure the password is not the same as your regular computer password. So when you open the computer, so this is the different. When you download the MySQL, it will when you set up the MySQL, so it will. That's the password. You have to put it here. So now it's you can see MySQL. So how do you uh, create table, or how do you create a database, or how do you see the databases that there is already exist or not? So these are the one very basic thing I'll be creating and showing you how to do that one. So first thing, the command will be show command, or the syntax, another word. So database. So show and database. This command will show you the all the database, or whatever existing one. It will list all the database. So enter. So you can see a lot of database. Those are the database, and within the database they have a table. Let's say I will open one table, a database. Let's say use uh, tab d tab db. Okay, I will open this one, tab db, and then okay, database change. Now again, so table, same thing. So table, so database. See, you can have user, and then user, and then also you can display the field, user field. Let's say that's the command select from user. So user doesn't have any field yet, so we have to create the table. So first we have to make a new database. So create the command and database. So my db database name, uh, my db youtube, my db youtube. Okay, so this is the database name. Okay, and then you can see my db youtube. Let's see. Okay, so my db youtube. Where is it? Ah, all right here. MyDB YouTube. So there is a lot of database. So we can use this database. How you do that one? You can use command and my MyDB YouTube. So it will change the database, and then we can create a working environment. So now we are in MyDB YouTube. So within that one, we can create a table. So now we can check show table. So now it's empty. We don't have a table. So we have to create a table. Uh, let's say command, create command, and create table customer, right? So we can create a customer table. This is the command, and let's say ID, right? ID int not null, and then auto increment. So int is nothing but the integer data type, and not null is id when the customer has put the id number. I mean the any id number. So we have it can't be null. So it has to have id. And an auto increment. Let's say customer assign 5 the id, right? And then that the next customer will have 6. That means it will auto increment. When the third customer we created, inserted, it will assign 7, number 7. So the ID, it will auto increment. That's all the same this line. And then obviously customer has name. So first name, so varchar is the data type, nothing, not no. So also, and then last name, name as the varchar, right? And you can not know, and this is 50. Is we just declaring how many characters you can, I mean, data bit at the supported. So it's you can define it. So and the let's say address, customer here address varchar uh, address could be long, so put a little bit more, and you can customize. You can keep email address, phone number, uh, date of birth, country, anything you can put, but it's not necessary. So if you want it, you can do that, but I will just put one registered in. So this is important because the customer, when the customer is recorded, that date will automatically mark date start the timing. That's auto. So that's also the security purpose. That date is auto date is good. So and that's all. So one thing, you can maybe you wanna put primary key on course ID. So primary key is a unique key, so you don't making a duplicate custom ID. So primary key is unique key, so you can make a duplicate key. So a customer, uh, one customer, let's say same customer ID is 5, and then another zone customer can't be 5, it be something else. So that's the purpose we can put a primary key. And uh, that's it, and then you can execute. There you go. See, now you can see the table, right? Okay, so customer here you can see, but we don't have a field. We haven't insert any query yet. So you can select Junior. See, so we don't have insert a query yet. So we have to insert a query. The insert query command is very simple. Insert into and then customer table name, right? Very easy. And then obviously you can customer ID, comma, and first name, comma, last name, comma, address, comma, and register date. And then values. Values will be first, let's say 1. No, we can assign 5. 5 and the zone, and then do last name, and the address, right? Address will be New York. Okay, and then last thing was date, register date. So you can put now. So now we'll assign the current date. So you don't have to put the date. If you put the date, it's a good way. It's a scientific way to put it now. It's a command. So it will assign the time. So that's it, and then execute. Here you go. So it's successful. Now you can see the table. Select, right, from. You just have to type this parameter. These are the command pretty much we have to know. So okay, there you go. So we just created customer ID 5, first name John, last name Doe, right? Address New York, register, see, register date we put now, so it will based on the I'm making a video today, so December 10 2020. So auto assign, you can put even minute, second, all right, but you can put that one, you can put the comma as well. So uh, pretty much that's it. And then one thing, so how to drop the table. You can drop the table and drop the database as well. So simply command is drop table, and then whatever table name, in this case customer, and then enter, it will drop the table. Okay, so also same thing, drop database, and database name, let's say MyDB YouTube, right? So you will drop the database. I think this I'll be making more video next coming days. So keep watching, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.